I can hear some sound over there. I don't know if it's over here or there, but I'm thinking here. I just want to move towards the sound to see what's going on there. Oh, I think there's like a bar there. Good morning from Prague. Good morning, good morning. It's like 3 a.m. or thereabouts right now, and I decided to come outside to see how safe the city is at night. So I'm walking down the streets in a couple of hoods to see how it really feels when you are working as a black person. I'm using my phone to make this video right now as a black man walking on the streets alone, my guard down, no one is around me. What is actually going to happen? How safe is Prague at night? Is it a country that you want to visit and you feel like you're not safe? So far, I have not had any reason for me to not feel safe. Everything's been going really well, so I decided to give this one a shot this night to see how it actually feels. And so far, so good. I have no reason to feel unsafe or any type of way. It's been really quite cool. As you know, Prague is a very big city. It's a very beautiful place, and I mean, it's peaceful around here. Look at it. Look at. It's just you don't feel like it's night, except that it's night. Still feels awesome. Just that the only difference is there's not a lot of people during the night time like it is. That's to be expected, obviously, because people are already tired, people are sleeping. Tomorrow people are going to go to work. But right now, it feels peaceful, it feels so safe, it feels so calm. Let me show you around. As you can see, the whole place is really it's really quiet. You would not believe how busy this place and this street is during the daytime. But at night it feels so peaceful, it feels so relaxed. Just like the cool wind that's blowing. I can hear some sound over there. I don't know if it's over here or there, but I'm thinking here. I just want to move towards the sound to see what's going on there, if I can. But if not, yeah, we'll just take it as possible from, our vibe check of the city. Can you see how beautiful the country is, the countryside is? It's lovely, isn't it? I think this is like an office where people come to work. Looks like that. There's a lot of international office in Prague, international companies. So there's a lot of people from foreign countries that just come. I can already smell something, and I think in this direction I was correct. While I was hearing the voices, and I can actually even smell, a certain plant. Oh, I think there's a bar there. So I was walking and I saw this very beautiful place over there. I wanted to check it out to see what it looks like. I want to see where it leads to. Oh man, I love this city. I love this city, man. Oh, it doesn't need anywhere special. Neighbors. Oh, yeah. Neighbors, I don't know what that means. Someone can tell me that in the comment section. And the place where I was hearing the voice was, the sound was from here. I guess you can hear people clapping. I am assuming people are just enjoying themselves, getting a couple of drinks and, chilling for the most part. No taxi over there. And that's where the sound is coming from, this side. There. It's a bar. Yeah. I'm actually even surprised that by almost 3 a.m. the bar is still. So if you are in the comment section and you like to drink very early in the morning, maybe that bar over there is for you. you can go there. Prague is a city for you, I guess. The bars are, I can say, always opened because here, why not? I can already tell that people there enjoying themselves and doing their own thing. So guys, just look, it feels so peaceful. I'm walking alone in the middle of the night. I can still hear people all around. People are still doing their thing, and I do not feel any sense of danger. This is a very peaceful city, in my opinion. From my experience so far, I have had no reason. I've had no reason at all whatsoever to feel like I'm in harm's way. In every situation, I've felt free, and I've actually been in a couple of cities that I wouldn't want to mention. But here, I don't feel like anyone's going to snatch my phone away. You know, I don't feel so. I don't feel like anyone's going to be on a bike to, you know. I'm not showing short at anyone, any country, but I feel like it's really, really, it gives me a vibe of home where I do not feel like I have anything to worry about, you know. And over there is a McDonald's. Yeah. But I'm not sure if it's opened. I'll be surprised if it's actually opened. I'm not sure it's open. So if you like McDonald's, I'm sorry. You're not going to find anyone 3 a.m. in Prague. At least in the area that I'm at right now. You're not going to find none of that. But if you like beer, you will find a bar. You will definitely find a bar. City never sleeps. It's not a sleepy town. It's not a sleepy city. It's like a parking garage and a fitness studio down there too. Do I actually like this city? No, I don't like it. I love this city. I love this place. My experiences so far has been amazing. It has been impeccable. I'll have a seat here and talk to you a little bit, guys. So as you already know, guys, we are in one of my favorite cities right now on earth, Prague. We are in Czech Republic, and I went out by almost 3 a.m. this night to go see how the city, how safe does it feel. This is me in the middle of the street, somewhere in Prague, alone on the bank of the road. I'm just chilling, and nobody even, you know. It's just so nice. It's just so. It feels. It makes you feel a sense of belonging. No one is harassing you. No one is looking at you dirty. Even if it's Eastern Europe, the people still do not like. You know, people. You go to some certain countries and like, you feel like they're all just on top of you. People who cannot see you or you as a black person, they don't just believe that you can go on holidays. You know. For me, so far, it's not been like that. Here, a lot of people say, oh, Eastern Europe, they tend to stare a lot. Yeah, I hear that a lot. But here, it's a very, very different ball game. Nobody stares at you dirty. Nobody looks at you in a certain type of way. Even the old ones, even the old folks are even very, very civilized. That they don't look at you and like, oh, why is this guy? No. Nobody really even cares about you, to be very honest. Everyone's just chilling, doing their thing. So for me as a black man sitting in the middle of the street at this time of the night, and nobody is looking at me in any type of way, even if I can see some folks over there. You can see some folks over there. They are not looking at me dirty. Everyone is just chilling and doing their own thing, you know. I like it. I really love it. It's something that I really would want to see a lot of countries emulate. I would want to see a lot of countries emulate it. Yeah, so yeah, like I said, this is me chilling. 3 a.m. in the morning, somewhere in Prague, Czech Republic, enjoying myself, feeling as safe as I've ever been. No need to worry, no need to complain. This is a beautiful place. This is a good country. Please come over and boom, make the tourist markets boom even more. You are gonna love it, I swear. You don't go regret them at all. I'm not gonna lie, you know. So, yeah, I am going to head into this direction. While I see some folks going into as well. It's a little bit more quieter over there. I want to see how it actually feels over there too, and probably even head to the tram, to the subway station over there as well. I think there's one there where I can just go check it out. And yeah, come with me. Let me see if it's open for the public. Let's go. And another thing that you also see and notice in this very beautiful country is in this city there's not a lot of waste bin, where you can dump your waste, stuff like this one. There's not a lot of it on the road. I'm talking about, you see this one here? Let me show you. Let me go closer with the camera so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm not even sure if that's it. I don't know if that's what it looks like, but yeah, waste bins like that. There's not a lot of it in the city. Yeah, but here, for whatsoever reason, there tends to be a few of them. There's not a lot of them in the city, but yet, you don't find dirty lying around too much. For a country, you might think like, oh, what's going on there? And a lot of people might feel like, oh, it might be so rough with a lot. This is like the 6th, if I'm not mistaken. Last year it came 6th in the most visited countries in Europe, if I'm not mistaken. And you don't find a lot of dirty in the street. This is amazing. Change your money if you want to change there. Never go to the guys who take who does it as a business in the airport or something. No, they will rip your money off, to be very honest. Watch the last video I uploaded to see how you can go about that. So it's pretty clean. I mean, this is really clean. I'm not even gonna lie. The countries who are like, you think are super clean, they are really not clean, especially in the capital. For a capital city this big with a lot of visitors coming in, is a 10 when it comes to cleanliness for me. There are places where I think it can get better, but I don't think it's doing horrible at all. So let's see if the metro station is open at this time. I'm not so sure. Yeah. For whatever reason, the metro station is not opened. Why is it not open? Is it that people don't ride the metro at this time? Tell me in the comment section below. I'm a bit actually even surprised that the metro is not opened, that the metro station is not opened. If someone can tell me in the comment section below why the metro station is closed at this time. Is it that the people don't use it? The folks here, they don't mind doing that? I don't know, but I think in some countries it's open, and the hallway there will be filled with these guys who do not have a place to live, or most of them who are, unfortunately have been hit with addiction. I think that's why it's also closed. So it's closed so to avoid because it's a really deep metro and it can be really dangerous. If you slide down, you can't, it can be really fatal. So I think it actually also makes a lot of sense to get closed so as to keep people safe as well as maybe to also help reduce so a lot of people do not use it as some sort of mini hotel or something. What do I know? I don't know. I might be wrong. But yeah, that's so far so good. That's my experience in Prague. It's been amazing, like I said. So feel free to come outside when you're here. I'm not a security expert, but I think, in my own opinion, I can highly recommend that you can come outside anytime you want and you can go enjoy the city. So if you're like a night owl, you want to walk out, you want to walk in the night and do your thing, feel free to do it. Don't be swayed, don't feel any type of way, because in my opinion, it is extremely safe. It is really, really safe, and like I said, I've had no reason to feel otherwise. So you are going to love it. And make sure you comment in the comment section below to tell me what you think. Have you been in Prague before? When you were here, what was your experience like? How did you feel? Like, did you feel welcome? Did you feel scared? Or did you feel safe like I am feeling right now? Tell me in the comment section below. And if you've not yet, please, I'm begging you, just try. It takes less than a second. Hit the subscribe, the little cheeky old subscribe button. Leave a like and share the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching, and again, thank you to Prague. I love Prague already, and I can't wait to be in this beautiful city again. Do I actually like this city? No, I don't like it. I love the city.
Rolling down the strip with the top peeled back. Sunshine beaming, yeah, the West where it's at.